Welcome back, Xian. What are we getting done today? Perfect. Let's go. Check this out. The central problem we face is the lack of ethical consideration. An important aspect of the study of ethics is being able to recognize ethical issues in the first place. Welcome back. I got these scraps while you were on your break.
Hey everyone, hope you liked the little intro presentation sort of thing of the new ArtEZ V1s, and as the name suggests, it basically just looks forward to helping users achieve things. In this version 1 right now, it only works for office related tasks like studying, writing on a paper, but yeah, let's give it a quick review.
Let's start with the looks. I actually quite like the current design direction that they're going with. Talking about the hardware right now, the ArtEZ V1s actually are quite minimal. You have them in full white, but they can come in a case as well. And yeah, they even resemble some of the already available in the market earpods. So looks, I am a fan of right now. Talking about the software itself, I actually quite like it as well. It tries to follow that same minimal line that the hardware is basically trying to follow. Although it is true that some of the interactions can become a little bit intrusive, like the fact that it will actually be live scanning your screen to look out for what could be the most relevant information. That feature actually works quite well, and most of the times it did actually highlight sections that are most related to what I'm looking for, but it can also be, what I said, quite intrusive. When it comes to the attention spikes and detecting when you're paying or not paying attention, as you guys might have seen in the little introduction before, the moment you stand up and you stop working, the whole concentration mode actually deactivates, active noise cancelling turns off, and then it basically activates a mode in which whatever you're reading in that moment becomes an audiobook sort of thing. Then you can proceed to do whatever, go grab a coffee, check your social media, walk your dog even if you want. And it will be monitoring your brain signals as well as heart rate, and somehow it is able to tell when something captures your attention unconsciously. So when you're back, it actually rewards you, or it greets you back with the screen showing you potential information that could be interesting and relevant to whatever task you're trying to do.
And basically, those are all my thoughts. Overall, I think the whole product and the whole idea has a lot of potential. It can actually help reduce a lot of work-related issues like stress levels, etc. So, other than the comments that I've had, I'm actually really looking forward to what, like I said, ArtEZ will take this product. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you would purchase, not purchase, what do you think? Are you scared of it taking over? Who knows? Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.